everyone. So we live in times where anyone who wants to learn, change or do anything is available on our fingertips. Every year, billions of dollars are spent in books, training programs and education in pursuit of progress. But the truth is that the books, they are never read. The training programs are never completed, and whatever we learn, we never apply. See, the problem is that people, it's not that they don't want to change. They do want to. It's not that they don't have time or they don't have desire or resources. The problem is that, sometimes they just self-doubt, sometimes just fear happens, sometimes overwhelm happens, sometimes life happens, sometimes frustrations happen, sometimes limiting belief happens. So we all have our goals and financial goals and health goals and relationship goals, but we also have our habitual patterns, our limiting beliefs that actually stop us from achieving our goals. Big goals or scary goals or walking the path that is unknown is scary, and there are very high chances that you can fall into your old habitual patterns or your limiting beliefs, and it is the place where life coaches come into action. They take over. They just actually help you to reach your goal. They'll tell you when the times are tough. They will tell you at first place why you started. They will constantly remind you what your potentials are. They will never let you play it below your standard. No matter how challenging the time is, they will always encourage you. And when there'll be overwhelm, when there'll be fear, there'll be doubts, they'll be gently guiding you through the process. That's the best part of being a life coach. So accountability is something that brings the massive work, or it helps you actually achieve your goals. So in life coaching, if I have to summarize it in one word, that one thing that actually helps you achieve your goal is the accountability and the guidance that you get from your life coach. So no matter what your goal is, no matter what you want to achieve, be it your financial, relationship, weight loss goal, or anything that you want to achieve in your life, hiring a life coach will ensure that it is going to be completed or fulfilled, and you'll have a least resistance in the path, and it will be a good process. Like, you'll be able to achieve it much more quickly than you would have done it all alone by yourself. And if you want to compare, if you'll compare it with other people's also, you will see that the things that you could have accomplished by your own and the goals that you achieve by hiring a life coach, there's a huge difference. It saves a lot of time, a lot of energy, and that is the reason why most people, the most successful people on this world, they all have life coaches. And now you know the secret. So why don't you avail it? It's available to you. So do that. And you too are somebody who deserves all that success in your life. So what are you thinking? And if you feel that after listening to all these things, you are ready for a life coach to enhance your life, then please DM me on 931993782 931993782, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much. Bye bye.